There's something magical about garlands during Christmas. The way they drape, the way they glow, and the warm story they tell as they wrap around banisters, mantels, trees, and entryways. Whether you love classic greenery, shimmering ribbons, rustic textures, or DIY handmade pieces, garlands bring softness, elegance, and that unmistakable Christmas charm to every corner of your home. Today we're exploring garland ideas that turn simple spaces into beautiful, festive scenes. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy home for holiday inspiration and creative seasonal decorating. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas garland ideas, including tree garlands, staircase garlands, DIY garlands, green garland styling, and beautiful ways to decorate every space with festive charm. Let's bring your holiday decor to life. What are the best Christmas garland ideas to begin with? Start with classic green garlands. Lush, timeless, and incredibly versatile. You can leave them natural or layer them with ribbon, lights, and ornaments. Green Christmas garland ideas suit mantels, doorways, trees, and staircases. What are the most popular Xmas garland ideas this season? Trending styles include frosted garlands, eucalyptus garlands, mixed greenery with berries, and garlands decorated with neutral ribbons. These Xmas garland ideas blend modern style with cozy holiday warmth. If you're enjoying these trending looks so far, tap like, it helps support the channel. How can I decorate a Christmas tree with garland? Use ribbon garlands, beaded strands, mesh garland, or natural greenery tucked into branches. Christmas tree garland ideas look best when layered in waves or spirals around the tree. If you love Christmas tree styling, hit like so we can bring you more inspiration. What Xmas tree garland ideas work well for small trees? Thin bead garlands, narrow ribbons, or mini greenery strands are perfect for smaller trees. These decorations keep the tree from looking overcrowded while adding beautiful, festive detail. Do you decorate a mini tree at home or in your office? Comment mini tree below. How do I create a full, luxurious garland look? Combine multiple garlands: pine, cedar, eucalyptus, and berry stems. Layering creates a fuller and richer appearance, making your garland feel lush and high-end. What are the best stair garland ideas? Wrap greenery along the banister and secure it with ribbon ties, lights, or bows. Christmas decorations for staircase banisters create a grand, classic holiday entrance. Comment below. Do you decorate your staircase for Christmas every year? How can I hang garland on a staircase elegantly? Use a swooping style. Tie the garland every few steps with velvet or satin bows. Add lights or ornaments for extra sparkle. Garland on a staircase adds height, elegance, and cozy warmth. If staircase decor inspires you, check out the staircase playlist in the description. What are simple DIY garland Christmas ideas? Make garlands using dried oranges, popcorn, cranberries, felt balls, or strip fabric ties. DIY garland ideas add handmade charm and are fun for family crafting nights. Love DIY decor? Check the Christmas DIY playlist linked in the description. What garland ideas pair well with modern Christmas decor? Use minimal greenery, black and white ribbon, matte ornaments, or eucalyptus. Clean lines, neutral tones, and soft lighting create a modern holiday aesthetic. How do I decorate a mantel using garland? Drape a lush garland across the front, add candles or lanterns, and tuck in ornaments for dimension. Mantels look magical with layered greenery and soft, warm lights. Want more mantel styling videos? Let me know in the comments, and I'll make one. What garland ideas work well for windows and door frames? Frame doorways and windows using lightweight garlands with fairy lights. Add bells or bows at the corners for a charming holiday touch. If window decor is something you want more ideas on, check our Christmas window video in the description. Can I use garlands outdoors? Absolutely. Weatherproof garlands work wonderfully on porches, railings, fences, and front doors. Add oversized bows or outdoor-safe ornaments for festive curb appeal. Love outdoor Christmas decor? Comment outdoor magic below. What garlands look best on kitchen cabinets? Mini greenery strands, tiny lights, or beaded garlands draped across cabinet tops create a cozy kitchen Christmas vibe. If you decorate your kitchen for Christmas, let me know. I'd love to feature more kitchen decor videos. What are creative ideas for decorating with garland beyond the tree and staircase? Use garlands on chandeliers, headboards, bookshelves, console tables, and mirrors. These unexpected placements add holiday magic to every room. How do I choose the right garland for my Christmas theme? Match your garland your main decor style. Classic, red berries and pine. Elegant, metallic ribbon and white ornaments. Rustic, birch, pine cones and burlap ribbon. Modern, eucalyptus and neutral tones. And tell us, which theme are you decorating with this Christmas? Garlands bring life, texture, and timeless beauty to Christmas decorating. Whether you're styling your staircase, wrapping your tree, decorating a window, or creating handmade DIY garlands, each piece adds warmth and festive charm to your home. Let these Christmas garland ideas inspire you to create cozy, magical holiday spaces that glow with seasonal joy. Enjoyed these garland ideas? Like and share to spread holiday inspiration. What garland style do you love most? Classic green, modern, rustic, or DIY? Explore our full Christmas decoration playlist in the description. Subscribe for weekly Christmas decor tips and festive inspiration. Check out mantel, staircase, and tree decor videos linked below.